In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can change the clock icon on your iPhone home screen. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
So first you have to just find this clock icon on your home screen and just long press it. Once you do so, it's going to pop up with this interface, and on this interface you'll see many options. You simply have to choose this option over here, this small icon. Just click this option and it's going to change the icon for you. Now, the second method that you can follow is just long press this clock icon, or you can just long press the screen anywhere. And then it's going to give you this option that says edit home screen. Click this option. Now, click edit on the top left corner and it's going to pop up with this window. On this window, click add widget and now search for the clock widget in the search bar. Click this clock widget and it's going to open up this window. On this window, if you slide through, you'll find many icons for your clock. And now you can choose the one you like. Once done, click add widget and it's going to add that one. Now you can remove this icon over here by clicking this minus sign and click remove. And you can choose the one you like. Once done, click done on the top right corner, and that's how you do it.